Adding sound effects to animations on PowerPoint is very simple. For this one, all you have to do is, if you have the animation set up, so click on the picture, go to animations, and you have the animation like right here. Now all you have to do is click on animation panel, it's right here, and then you will see this right here. Select the animation, of course, on the picture, right click on it, and then click on effect options, and now you will see enhancements, and you will see sound. If you click on that one and select the sound, for example, all you have to do now is click OK, and now we have a sound effect with it. Happy adding sound effect and have fun.